Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is special form of homogeneous function. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write special form of homogeneous function. So first case, can I write? So all of you know what is homogeneous function. In previous class I had already discussed a function f of xy. Just we can recall that. So a function f of xy is said to be homogeneous of degree n if f of dx comma dy equals to x to the power n into f of xy and t to the power n into f of xy, or otherwise we can say f of xy equals to x to the power n phi of y by x. And I have already discussed what is homogeneous differential equation. A equation which is of the form dy by dx equals to f of xy function of xy divided by g of xy. This differential equation is known as homogeneous differential equation if f and g both are functions of x with same degree. F and g both are functions of x, both are homogeneous functions of x with same degree. So today I will discuss. So if you get the homogeneous differential equation, so simply you can write how to find the solution. First of all, we have to substitute y by x equals to v. Then we have to find the dy by dx. Then separate the variable and take the integration. You must get the solution. I have already discussed up to this much. So today I will discuss special form of homogeneous function. So the first case. So can I write dy by dx equals to ax plus of by plus of c whole divided by a dash x plus of b dash y plus of c dash, where a by a dash not equals to b by b dash, So in this case, so how to find here in this case? So can I write? So let x equals to x plus of h and y equals to y plus of k, where h and k are arbitrary constants. So here x equals to this part and y equals to this part. So can I write therefore dx equals to d of small x equals to d of capital X. Here h is a constant, so that's why this part becomes 0. And d of y equals to d of capital Y. So therefore we can write, here I have required dy by dx. So can I write dy by dx equals to d of capital Y by d of capital X. So here we can write, so therefore d of capital Y by d of capital X equals to, so here we can write ax plus by plus c. If you simplify, so you must get a into capital X plus b into capital Y plus of ah plus of bk plus of c. If I put the value of x and y in this case here. So directly we will get this part, all divided by a dash x plus of b dash y plus of a dash h plus of b dash k plus of c dash here. So can I write this line? Therefore h and k are chosen in such a way that so AH plus of BK plus C equals to 0, A dash H plus of B dash K plus of C dash equals to 0. So here solving these two equations, we must get the values of H and K. How to solve this case? So can I write A is divided by, so can I write, if you find the value of H, so can I write BC dash plus minus B dash C, BC dash minus B dash C, BC dash minus B dash C plus equals to K all divided by C dash A minus of C A dash equals to 1 by constant term that becomes AB dash minus of A dash B. So finally we will get, so this part becomes, suppose this part becomes 1, so this part becomes 2. So finally we get from 2, we can write from 2 we get, so can I write d of capital Y by d of capital X equals to, so can I write this line, A capital X plus of B capital Y whole divided by A dash X plus of B dash Y. So let's substitute, so we can write substitute y by x equals to b. So here in this case, so how to find the solution? So here we can write, so if you take one example then it is clear. So can I write solve dy by dx equals to x plus y plus 4 whole divided by x minus of y minus of 6, x minus y minus 6. So can you write, the solution becomes, so can you say which is of the form? So can I write directly dy by dx equals to x plus y plus of 4 whole divided by x minus y minus 6. So can I write in this manner, ax plus of by plus of c whole divided by a dash x plus of b dash y plus of c dash. So here if you compare this part, so a becomes coefficient of x, it becomes a, here coefficient of x, it becomes a. So can I write therefore a by a dash. So a by a dash, that means how much? So a by a dash, so coefficient of x in numerator part, so it becomes 1, coefficient of x in denominator part, so it becomes 1. So a by a dash equals to b by b dash. So you have to verify. So what is a by a dash? A by a dash, that means 1 by 1, and b by b dash, that means 1 by minus 1. So a by a dash not equals to b by b dash. So directly you can write let x equals to x plus h and y equals to y plus of k. So here h and k are constants, are arbitrary constants. So can I write directly? We can write, all of you know, dx equals to d of capital X and d of small y equals to d of capital Y. So therefore we can write d of capital Y by d of capital X equals to, so finally we can write capital X plus of capital Y whole divided by capital X minus of capital Y. So here in this case, here you must have in previous case, here I have already told AH plus of BK plus C equals to 0 and A dash H plus of B dash K plus of C dash equals to 0. So here in this case, same process, we have to find the value of H. So H becomes how much? H becomes B C dash minus of B dash C, and K becomes C A dash minus C dash A, and constant term becomes 1 divided by A B dash minus of A dash B. So here in this case, you have to find the value of H and K. So all of you know here ABC. So ABC. So A becomes, so can I write A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to 4. So and A dash B becomes 1, B dash it becomes minus 1, C dash it becomes minus 6. C dash it becomes minus 6. So here using these values, so you must get the value of H and K. So here you can write H becomes, H becomes 1, K becomes minus 5. So here you can write, so how to solve this case? So let us substitute y by x. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. So this is the homogeneous differential equation because the numerator part, what is the degree in this case? This is also homogeneous function of degree 1, and the denominator part is also homogeneous function of degree 1. Now which is homogeneous function with same degree 1. So here let substitute, let how to solve this case. In this case, let y by x equals to v. So can I write capital Y equals to v into capital X? So can I taking differentiation with respect to x both sides? So d of capital Y by d of capital X. First function is constant, differentiation of the second function 1, and second function is constant, differentiation of the first function dv by dx. So do the numbering. So here in this case, so can I write, suppose this is 1. So from 1 we can write v plus of x into dv by dx equals to, so here in this case you have dx, x plus y becomes dx, so ax plus bx, ax plus of v of x, then denominator part x minus of vx. So here taking common x from the numerator part and taking common x from the denominator part. So x cancelled, finally we will get 1 plus v by 1 minus v. Then separate the variable and take the integration. X into dv by dx equals to 1 plus v or divided by 1 minus v minus of v. So here we have written plus v in this side, so you can write in this side. So can I write 1 plus v minus v plus of v square, taking LCM 1 minus v. So finally you can get v cancelled, 1 plus v square whole divided by 1 minus v. So separate the variable. So can I write 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v square dv equals to how much? dx by x. So you can write directly. So can I write dv by 1 plus v square minus of, so here you can write 1 by 2. So can I write 2v divided by 2v divided by 1 plus v square dv equals to dx by x equals to dx by x. So you can write taking integration both sides, so therefore tan inverse of v minus of half into log of 1 plus of v square equals to log of x plus of, so you can write c, where c is the arbitrary constant or integrating constant. Therefore we can write what is v. So all of you know v equals to y by x. So what is y? Y becomes, all of you know, x, here I have already assumed x equals to capital X plus of small h. So capital X it becomes x minus of h. So can I write x minus, what is h? H becomes 1. So x minus 1, capital X becomes. And capital Y. So can I write capital Y? It becomes capital, so y equals to capital Y plus of k. So can I write capital Y equals to y minus of k? What is k? K becomes minus 5. So y plus of 5. So x becomes, capital X becomes x minus 1, capital Y becomes y plus 5. So here in this case, so tan inverse v. So can I write? So v becomes y by x. So tan inverse of y by x. That means tan inverse y by x. Y, that means y plus 5. Whole divided by x minus of 1 minus of half into log of 1 plus v square. That means 1 plus v square, that means y plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square, all equals to, so can I write log of mod x. What is capital X? X minus 1 plus of c, some arbitrary constant. So this is the required general solution. Of the given differential equation, where c is the arbitrary constant or any constant. Then I will discuss the second case. dy by dx equals to ax plus by plus c whole divided by a dash x plus of b dash y plus of c dash, where you can write a by a dash equals to b by b dash. So in the previous case a by a dash not equals to b by b dash, but here in this case a by a dash equals to b by b dash equals to some constant k. So can I write, which implies a equals to a dash k and b equals to b dash k. So therefore you can write dy by dx equals to ax. A means a dash k plus of by, b means b dash k. So a means a dash k into x. So here it has written ax plus of b means b dash k into y plus of c whole divided by a dash x plus b dash y plus of c dash. So can I write this part becomes, taking common k from the first two terms, a dash x plus of b dash y plus of c whole divided by a dash x plus of b dash y plus of c dash. So substitute a dash x plus of b dash y equals to z. Then you have to find taking differentiation with respect to x. So from here you have to find the dy by dx. So change the variable, then separate the variable and take the integration. You must get the solution. So if I take one example based on this second case, then you can understand. So can I write, if I take one example, solve dy by dx equals to dy by dx equals to 1 minus 2y minus of 4x whole divided by 1 plus of 2y 1 plus y plus of 2x 1 plus y plus of 2x. So whatever the problem is given, what the solution in this case? So can I write which is of the form? So can I write which is of the form dy by dx equals to ax plus by plus of c whole divided by a dash x plus of b dash y plus of c dash. So if you compare this part and this part, so you must understand a becomes coefficient of x, so it becomes a, so it becomes minus 4. Coefficient of y, it becomes minus 2, so b becomes minus 2. And c becomes 1, c becomes 1. So a dash coefficient of x in denominator part, so it becomes 2. And b dash it becomes 1, and c dash it becomes 1. So therefore we can check it a by a dash. What is the value of a by a dash? So it becomes minus 2. Minus 4 divided by 2, so it becomes minus 2. And b by b dash, so it becomes minus 2. So finally we will get a by a dash equals to b by b dash. So therefore you can write dy by dx equals to, can I write 1 minus of, from this equation taking common 2, y plus of 2x whole divided by 1 plus of y plus of 2x. So substitute y plus of 2x, y plus 2x equals to z. So taking differentiation with respect to x both sides, so can I write dy by dx plus of 2 into ddx of x, it becomes 1. So can I write dz by dx. So finally can I write dy by dx equals to dz by dx minus of 2. So substitute this value dy by dx equals to this part. So to put the value in 1. Put the value in 1. So can I write from 1? From 1 we can write, so dz by dx minus of 2 equals to dz by dx minus 2 equals to 1 minus of, so here 2z, 1 minus of 2z divided by 1 plus z, 1 minus 2z by 1 plus of z. So can I write dz by dx, equals to 1 minus 2z divided by 1 plus z plus of 2. So taking LCM, 1 minus 2z plus of 2z whole divided by 1 plus of z. 2z cancelled. So finally we will get 3 by 1 plus z. 3 whole divided by 1 plus z. So separate the variable and take the integration. 1 plus z whole into dz equals to 3x. 3 into dx. So finally, so taking integration both sides, we can write integration of dz, so it becomes z. Integration of z dz, that means z square by 2. Integration of dx, so it becomes x plus of some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. So c. So what is z? Z becomes, here I have already taken, z becomes y plus 2x. Y plus 2x, it becomes z. So y plus 2x whole becomes z plus of z square, that means y plus of 2x whole square or divided by 2 equals to 3x plus of c. This is the required general solution. This is the required general solution of the given differential equation. I hope you enjoyed the session and liked the tricks that I have shared in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button, and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.